Good day, ladies and gentlemen. This is your boy Botshelo Sello. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So for tonight, we're gonna check our weekly trades. Gonna analyze the pairs. As you can see, GBP is moving very nicely because waited for a break and it came and retest. So before we get to it, please guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So the first pair we're gonna check for tonight is USD-CHF. Let me just go down to the daily time frame. Let me just remove these old ones so they shouldn't confuse you. As you can see here on the daily time frame, let me just show you. As you can see here, this is a continuation pattern to the upside. So as it did its first touch here, then its second, third touch. So I'm expecting the USD pair to go to the upside. So this will be our TP, but it's still playing around here because still playing. Let me go down to the 1 hour, because what I normally do is wait for it to break, come for a retest, then that's when I go up with it. So now I'm just checking if it allows me to enter or not, but I don't like it like this. Normally I wait for it to break, come for a retest, then that's when I usually go up with it. So but I'm expecting the dollar to go up. This is what I'm expecting here on this USD-CHF. Here will be our first target. This will be our first target. So you see it's not much, but we know that the momentum we want is to the upside. As you can see, this is the bigger move we're looking for. This is the bigger move we're looking for USD-CHF. So here, just wait for it to break, come for a retest. That's also when I enter it, but for now I'll just look at it carefully, and I don't think I'll go in because I need it to break with a heavy momentum to the upside, then wait for it to do a continuation pattern again. This is what I'll be waiting for in order for me to go in the trade. But for now I'll be watching it carefully, but this is what I want in order for me to get in the trade, because just want to show you. This is what I'm expecting. But maybe it might push up a bit, but I'm expecting a continuation pattern. If I see it's a continuation pattern, then I know that this is the trade I'm waiting for. This is something I'll be waiting for. Then I know that we going to the upside. Sorry, it's the wrong one. Then I know that we going to the upside, looking for an arrow. So this is what I'll be looking for, but as you can see, it's still playing here. So just wait for it to impulse, then starting to correct, then that's when I will start looking for my entries. And the second pair we're gonna check is gold. As you can see, let me go down to the daily time frame. For the daily time frame, I'm still looking for my third touch here, cause I'm still looking for the third touch. Last time what it did here is it was like this. So I thought it's going to the upside, but it was a false breakout. So it came back, then I had to evolve my pattern. Then I did evolve my pattern. So what I'm waiting for on the gold here, as you can see, first, second, third touch, then that's when I went in. And I think it was today in the morning, that's when I took the trade. I'd already hit my TP because my TP was somewhere here, but I'm waiting to see what it's going to do here, because if it does something like this, as you can see, it hit my TP was somewhere here. What I'll be waiting for now is something. Let me just show you what I'll be waiting for on gold, because my initial target was here, but I saw that this is a smaller pattern, so let me just put my TP here. So I'll be waiting for something like this on gold, then that's when I can enter it again. But for now, I'll wait for impulse correction. When it corrects, that's when I go in. Then my TP is gonna be here, because as you can see on the daily time frame, let me show you on the daily time frame, because let me just put this nicely. On the daily time frame, my target is gonna be here, so I'll just wait for it to see what's gonna happen now, because I already took my profit. As you can see, it's rejecting, but I took my profit. So this is all I can wait for it here. Maybe in the 15-minute time frame. In the 15-minute time frame, it can do something like this. So here I'm expecting a reversal pattern. Here I'll be waiting for a reversal pattern in order for me to know if I'm going in. I'll be waiting for something like this, then I know that we're going to the downside. But for now, I'll wait. I only enter the trades when I see a pattern. If there's no pattern, then I'm not going in. So this is what I'll be waiting for. If it doesn't create a pattern, then I don't go in a trade. There are many pairs that you can check. This is what I'll be waiting for if it does that. But currently the momentum to the downside is heavy, so I don't think it can create a reversal pattern. But if it does, this is what I'll be waiting for. This is what I'll be waiting for. Then I know it's gonna break, then go again for a retest. Gonna break, go for a retest. After going for a retest, I enter my second trace. Then I know that we're going for a third touch. After the third touch here, that's when I'll look for buy entries. But for now, I'm still looking for sell entries on gold. So the other pair we're gonna check is GBP USD. As you can see, let me just go down to the daily time frame. As you can see on the daily time frame, let me just show you. This is a beautiful reversal pattern. This is beautiful. No, it doesn't. It's better but I already have. It's gonna be something like this. Let me show you. Doesn't make sense on the stuff. It's gonna be something like this. But there's no need to do it. But if you want to, you can, just to check on the target for for the daily time frame. As you can see, this is the first, second and the third touch here. Then we know that we're going to the downside, so I'm already in the trade. The price broke, but I normally wait for a retest. So the price broke here with a heavy momentum, but I know that most of the time the trades come for a retest, so it did come for a retest. That's when I entered, and I'm in profits now. So for GBP USD, I'm expecting it to come until here. This is what I'm expecting for GBP USD. So we'll just have to wait and see, but my first target is gonna be here. Then I'll wait for a reversal pattern again to see if I'm going in or not. So the other pair we should check is Euro GBP. I think I didn't check Euro GBP. I had this. If you're in my Telegram group, I'm sure you still inside this trade. If you're in my Telegram group, I had this last week, so I entered here. It was a third touch, so I'm still holding it, but the problem is now it's playing because here it broke, and I wanted to wait for a retest so I can put my second entry, but it didn't do so. Let me just remove these zones so they don't confuse you. So I was waiting, it broke, so I was waiting for a retest, then I can enter the second trade, but as you see what it did here, it came beyond. So I'm still looking at it. I'm still waiting for maybe another pattern, then that's when I know I can enter the trade. So the last pair we're going to check is NAS 100 on nasdaq. So as you can see here, this is a beautiful reversal pattern to the downside. So what I'm expecting here is a break, as you can see. But you know, if you have a small account, please guys, please, if you have a small account, don't even try to trade this pair. Just trade the currency pairs and leave this one. If you have a small account, it will be my target. So what I don't like about this pair normally is that it doesn't come for a retest. Normally it doesn't come for a retest. When it shoots down, it shoots straight down. So but maybe here it will create a pattern for me. So I'll be waiting for a retest on the NAS 100 or gold. NAS 100. I'll be waiting for a retest. Then we know our target is gonna be here. This is what I'm expecting on NAS 100 to break. Why did I put this arrow here? I'm waiting for it to break. After it breaks, then I'm waiting for a retest. Let me just show you. Break. This is a strong zone. Then the only way I can enter it is for it to go up with a reversal pattern. If it does this, then I know that I'll also be in the trade. But if it doesn't retest with a pattern, then I know that I'm not going in the trade. So this is what I'll be expecting on NAS 100. So actually on this pair, I also don't like the risk entry. Because I tried trading it with a risk entry and it hit too much stop loss. So the risk entry, as you know, it's here. So normally this one I don't do a risk entry, but on other pairs I do trade risk entry, but on this one I don't. So I'll just wait for it to break, come for a retest. After a retest, then I know that we're going to the downside. So we just have to wait and see how the pair plays. So thank you guys for watching my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you very much.